In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Evernote notes for backup or transfer. Whether you're creating a safety backup or moving to another platform, exporting your notes keeps your information portable and secure, and the process is straightforward once you know where to click. We'll be using the Evernote desktop application. If you don't have it yet, open your web browser and search for Download Evernote. Make sure you choose the official Evernote website, then download the app for free and run the installer. Using the official site helps you avoid outdated or unsafe versions. Once installation is complete, open the Evernote desktop app and sign into your account. When you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Notes section. This displays all of your notes in one place so you can decide exactly what you want to export. If you want to export multiple notes, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each note you want to include. If you'd like everything, press Ctrl+A to select all notes at the same time.